I got me some RGBIC lights from Govee. I seen they were out of stock everywhere, and after I ordered them, Amazon went out of stock. And if you go on their site, it says coming soon. So I don't know if a lot of people are ordering them or what. These are strip lights, a lot nicer than RGB. There's a big difference. Look it up online. I don't need to go into it until a little bit later. Straight from Amazon, it came in on time. Comes in this big package. Nice. It is smashed a little bit. We'll have to look at that. Hopefully no damage to the reels. Yeah. Throughout this video I will be using different cameras. So this one just picks it up better. It's on a better tripod. 16 feet, 5 meters, 12 volt, current's 2 amp, power's 24 watts. We're going to test that. It's the model H6163. It's definitely bashed in pretty hard right there. They were not used. Set timers, DIY scenes. It says it's used. That's normally the used icon. Wild. Let's hope I get a card in the mail that's as good as this one. You are special. With a smiley face. So far that's been in every video I've made. Yeah, I don't think this was supposed to be used. Hold on, I'm gonna go look at the order real quick. Invoice. Order details. It is like new. Whatever. Must have saved me a pound. I paid $31.81 for them. Oh, there it's open. Hopefully they stink and work, because they don't even have a new one to replace it. Oh, that box being bashed in right there hurts it. Here we go. We got me little card. I already pre-downloaded the app. I'll still show you what the app looks like. You guys can't see any of that, so I'll just go over there with my phone in between here. There's the disclaimer warning, accordion style one if you want to make music. That's the user manual. Does not come with pictures, so you have to get a woman to read that to you. Let's see, it comes with the nice little instructions. I gotta turn it because I got a glare. Them toilet lights, you shouldn't buy them because it puts a glare on your shit. Wipe off hair dryer. It wants you to use a hair dryer. 10 degrees Celsius. Warm the tape to the hair dryer when it. Peel the tape off. Don't put on dusty walls. I can't believe they have to tell you that. It takes what? Stick the strip and press it. Oh, press it on for 10 seconds. It shows you this wild clip where you'd have to screw it into the wall. We'll get to that. Hopefully it comes with some clips that are better than that. And it shows you how to do cornering instead of cutting. I'm not going to have to cut them. Kind of hoping that it's the cut and splice style. Throughout the video, my phone will switch over and show you guys that more in depth. Here we go. I think it's only one strand. My last review I had a 2-strander. I wasn't very impressed with that brand. The back of this has 3M tape. This is the controller. It comes with a, you gotta put the power in there. Looks like one is the power, one is the cycle, one is the brightness. Very good buttons. Feel like they'd last a long time. We'll come back to that. That damage on the box didn't hurt anything. Here's the power adapter for US. There's more of the box. Just throw that on the ground when you don't need it. It's their actual power supply. 12 volt, 2000 milliamps, almost an amp, 0.8 out. Oh no, that's the input. Outputs what I just said, 12 volt, 2000 milliamps. Inputs 0.1. Smells awful. I don't know why it has such an odor. This smells really bad. Alcohol prep to do your whole wall, 16 feet. Wow, I could barely wipe your face. It's really air pockety. It's like there isn't even anything in there. I'm throwing that in there. Here's the clips. I'm not opening them because I may not like this brand either. I kind of like the other brand's clips. They had good 3M tape. I like how tight that would hold it to the wall for sure. It looked badass up there, but oh, it does have tape. So you could do tape or put a screw through. You guys can see that little hole comes with screws that aren't going to do crap because they aren't even long enough to hit a stud. You might as well just do the tape. Most likely as you're putting it up there, you'll rip the last one out. Okay, you guys just got to believe me when I'm doing this testing on the power. I'll show it to you really quick. But I got a mess of a desk by plugging it into that that surge protector, and it comes up there. Right now I'm running a solid 33, running 2 monitors, and you guys on a little camera. When I plug that in, you're going to just have to believe what comes out of my mouth. Okay, so I pre-downloaded the app. Where's the instruction manual? Quick start guide, actually. Is that the quick start? Like it, share it. Quick start. That's the quick start. My phone's going wild. Look at that. I got another opening video. Just arrived at my front door. English. This is the most worthless piece of paper I've ever seen. It's the disclaimer and warning, which is normally fine print on the rear. I'm not looking for photo. Okay. Control. On and off button is the top. Color button, music mode, and brightness adjustment. Let's see if it tells you what to do. Open the package, clean the surface. It has a total of 4 pages for setup, and 3 and 4 are just warnings. Tells you what all it comes with. It's 4 pages long. This big book, it's only 4 pages long, and it's front and back. Let's see if it's a different language on the back. Yeah, it's only 4 pages long. I really expected more on the setup. Must be mostly on the app. It does tell you how to download the app. It should give you a QR code on there somewhere in case you can't find it, but it doesn't. So I guess I'm gonna have to do this just by common sense. They have their own tape on there. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Been watching some Cobra Kai. Whoa. Dropping my phone here. At the end of this video, I will have a nighttime running of it. What I do like about this brand is it's running 3M tape. Where the heck's my camera? There we go. It's running 3M tape, which I think is the best tape out there. It does show the little cutters that you cut through. 3 of them. Where you can cut through and make it the length you want. It doesn't quite say cut right there. It doesn't say in the instructions either. It actually says just make a loop. But I'm going to start the video out with it in a circle because my last video was freaking awesome. It says do not do that, but we'll see. Okay. Hopefully I don't have to do some special plug-in. There we go. It's plugged in. Uses it. Whoa, hello. I don't want it on right now. There. It is using, after powered on and shut off, it uses 2 watts sitting there. So just running this box is running 2 watts continuously. It ain't even moving. Turn it on. CG's up to 43. We'll see as we're going through it. This one's wild. Yeah, I did the video of it together because it looks so cool. It's like a firework. So it does when it turns on. Nope, it's going crazy. Okay. So the power it's using is wild. I've seen it clear up to 48. There's 52, and it was running 33 before that. So you guys do the math. I'm too busy staring at this. There's a push the bottom button. Light mode 1, 2, 3. It doesn't tell you anything in the instructions, so I just got push buttons to figure everything out. Kind of flickering. Too bad I don't have the music to go with the light modes. Whoa. And it's dead. I don't know how it looks so cool when it's in a band and then you unroll it. It looks weird. Okay. There, solid. What do we got? We got 55 watts. 55.4. So 30, 40, 50. We're running 22.5 watts. So I don't know if I'd run this on USB. The other one I had you could run on USB. See if it changes with the color. Definitely changes with the color. There's 49 watts. I'll take 33 off of that. There's 45 watts. 49 watts. It's weird. Each color. These are just the presets. Pushing the middle button. I'm sure the top one shuts it off. I ain't doing that. Blue. Pretty blue. Hoping they have a pretty purple. My pad here, it has a beautiful purple. Oh, look at that. Purple. It's alright. Kind of pinkish purple. You guys can't really see it. Later on in the video, I will be in the off button. So now let's check it out in the app. I'm going to be screen sharing you with my app. It's going to switch over now.